Hi, this is my mum Hannah. My partner Jason and my brother Alan are helping us in our marathon fundraising for Cash for Kids. My mum is 82 and wanted to do our bit in helping us raise as much money as possible for this amazing charity. Hannah is about to do the BBD, the Baked Bean Drench.
Got on something to go with your beans. Your support. You're something that's so stuck.
Well done, Mum, Hannah. We're not asking my mum to nominate everybody else to do this BB drench, baked bean drench. Now what we are asking, if you've had as much fun watching this as we've had making it, please donate to Cash for Kids by 3 p.m. Wednesday the 25th of February. Reporting live from Edinburgh, Scotland. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you.
Right, Mum.